Hello all, I'm Suyog from Millionminds Pvt Ltd. I'm here to present our different workshops on a stock market. So we have designed this workshop to become a Atmanirbhar. So what we are seeing that once you do all our workshops, then you can start your own. You can become a full-time trader or an investor. So let's start with this introduction to workshops on stock market trading. So myself, Suyog Chachak, I'm director in Millionminds Pvt Ltd. I'm certified financial planner and MBA finance. I'm also a finance faculty in reputed MBA and PGDM colleges in Pune. So I'm going to conduct all the workshop, especially on technical analysis and derivatives. So why technical analysis? The first thing that they are very easy to understand. Okay, technical analysis is like we are learning a new language. Okay, it's like learning a new language. And the purpose of the technical analysis is to forecast the price, that what will be the price in future. It will also help us to understand the trend, that in which direction the price is moving, upside or downside. It will also help us to identify the enter and exit point. That means at which price to enter, at which price to exit. So technical analysis is helpful for us, not only just forecasting, but also it will help us to identify proper entry and exit points, and is applicable to all the segments like equity, or we can say shares or stocks, index like Nifty or Bank Nifty, currencies, USD, Euro, JPY, or even cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Okay, and the similar kind of securities wherever it is reflected on the charts. Okay, so technical analysis is based on a chart analysis. Now, who can be a participant? Any person who is interested in stock market investing and trading can be a participant. So a salaried person, a businessman, retired person, or housewife, or even students can be a participant. So we have designed 4 workshops. So every workshop have a different understandings and different levels. So first workshop, we have a TA1, that is beginner level workshop. Every investor and trader must do this workshop. See, it is just like a 10, passing a 10th or passing a 12. So without passing a 10, you cannot apply or you cannot sit for the 12th exam. So similarly, you have to clear TA1 first. You have to clear your understanding about TA1 first, or a beginner level first. Then you can go for the advanced level. So that's why TA1 beginner level, which is helpful for the investors as well as short and mid-term traders. Second workshop is on a advanced level, which is useful for both the traders, that is intraday as well as positional traders. So here you will learn about momentum and swing trading. Also, it is helpful for the investors for extra confirmation. Third workshop is focused on the derivatives, that is FNO. We are going to teach you about futures and options, how they work and what are the different strategies. It is most helpful for the traders as well as investors for boosting their earnings as well as risk management. The fourth workshop is focused again on a technical analysis, in which it is helpful for intraday as well as positional traders. Here you will get an extra edge, or we can say you are going to polishing and refining your techniques so that your confirmation or your confidence level will boost up. Okay, so this entire course, a 4 workshop course, is also available. Okay, you can go for a single workshop also one by one, but again you have to go in a stepwise, just like a 10, 12, graduation and post-graduation. So similar, you have to approach these workshops. The fee, basically the workshop content is delivered in 3 modes. The first is before main workshop, you have to undergo around 5 to 6 hour training. So that is a theory session. Then the main workshop for full 2 days, around 6 hours per day. So 12 hours there, and around 6 hours again a practical. Okay, the following weekdays. So around 24 hours we are going to spend on you for the beginner level, and similarly for other workshop. So around 22 to 24 hours we are going to spend uh, with you for each workshop. So fees for these workshops are mentioned in the last column. If you are interested in our workshop, then you have to make the payment in our bank account using this bank credential. And also you need to fill the below mentioned Google form, so that we will get to know that you are interested in the workshop, and we will add you in our WhatsApp group for the further communication. Okay, thank you.